Awe, who's it? Shabkanjani. These are industry reviews on Uncle Waffles. Uncle Waffles has cultivated a very distinct and powerful brand built on a combination of her persona and strategic marketing. Here is a breakdown of key elements. She's branded as an amapiano DJ with mesmerizing dance moves. She's established herself as a skilled amapiano DJ known for her seamless mixes and energetic sets. She delivers high energy performances that connect with audiences on a visceral level. She's maintaining a strong social media presence, sharing performance clips, behind the scenes content, and engaging updates. Her visual aesthetic is consistent across platforms, reinforcing her brand identity. She has a recognizable fashion style that complements her energetic persona. She has a strong professional team that helps to manage her career and brand. In essence, Uncle Waffles' brand is built on a foundation of talent, charisma, and strategic marketing. She has successfully leveraged social media to create a global presence and has established herself as a prominent figure in the amapiano scene.